Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on accounting with Xero step by step clearly. Start by signing up for a Xero account on their website. Choose the plan that suits your business requirements. Once registered, log into your Xero dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and key features. Set up your business profile by entering essential information. Connect your bank account to streamline transactions. Import your existing financial data, including invoices and expenses. Create a chart of accounts that aligns with your business. Categorize your transactions to simplify reporting and analysis. Utilize Xero's invoicing feature to create and send invoices efficiently. Automate recurring invoices to save time on regular billing. Set payment reminders to ensure timely collections from clients. Track your expenses by connecting supplier accounts or uploading receipts. Utilize Xero's reporting tools to generate financial statements easily. Review your financial position with the dashboard's key performance indicators. Use budget tracking to monitor your financial goals. Consider integrating third-party apps for enhanced functionality. Explore Xero's support resources for tips and troubleshooting. Regularly back up your data to avoid any potential loss. Schedule regular check-ins to update your financial records. Optimize your use of Xero over time as your business needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.